Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign in to your existing account on DirectTV. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the DirectTV application on your smartphone and you will be asked to allow your location access. Tap on the Allow button to allow your location access and you will be asked to use your user ID and password to sign in. Now within the user ID section, type in your user ID that you have set up while creating your account, and then type in your account password within the password box. Finally, tap on the sign in button and you will be logged in to your DirectTV application right away. In case you have forgotten your user ID or your password, you can click on the Forgot User ID or the Forgot Password button and you will be allowed to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign in to your existing account on DirectTV. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.